I want to speak about a year about having water cooling. So it's been a year, over a year, since I have water cooled my PC. And it's been great. Now there's a few maintenance things we've done since it's down here because it's really heavy. And that's just a glass. That's gonna still cut. So we're just gonna clean it up a wee bit since I'm here. So let's speak about temperatures and the general. Have I got alcohol down here? Oh, I have alcohol, perfect. Alcohol spray. So my temperatures have been, sorry, you can't see me. It's been great. My processor sits about, I think it's about 6 degrees average. So it's been really good consistently. You'll see a wee level and how much to drop. So I'm going to be topping this up when I get upstairs because I don't want to do it down here. The trouble with tempered glass is you have to keep it nice. I might shout. I've been doing stuff. As you can tell, it's got some pretty pictures on it. That's okay. She's into stickers. Okay, I don't know what she's been doing. Okay, this comes. It is so dusty. I think it's just really light. Oh, you can look at the fan. Look at the filter. That's just. Where's my blowy tone 3000, as I like to call it? I'll keep it down on the edit. Go that way. That wasn't too bad. Yeah, I've really enjoyed it. Ooh, wow. Sorry, I'm gonna get a bit more blowy. Wow, the amount of dust just. Oh, yeah. Filters work great. Wow. Okay, that's one dust-free computer. Wow. It's something that I do enjoy doing, is actually giving it a good maintenance. And when I get it down here, I can just go mad with it. So, if you haven't seen the original build guide of this took me forever. There was so much things went wrong with this build that I could honestly don't want to speak about. But this is the joys of having a water-cooled system. You have to maintain it. I'm sorry, people. This is facts. You can go in the comments right now, tell me how stupid water cooling is. I'm going to read them. I love reading comments. I wonder why that made you... Yeah, my GPU is still going a bit roughy. How does it? Oh, I need the filter. Filter! Where's my filter? I have no idea where my filter's gone to. Oh, I went all the way there. Nice. So what was I saying? That's what I was saying now. Put in order. How does this go back on? Go to the bottom. I wish I took notes. Nope. And then the side one, I'll just take that up because this is, oh! I don't like moving this computer anymore. Honestly, this computer is so heavy. I was just doing 2 bits. So, if someone asks me, and give me all the money, again, literally from scratch, how much this cost builds, because I know how much this computer costs. would I do it again? And I would say yes, without a question of doubt, because I love the look of it. It does keep my components cool. I am going to be, in future, I might be changing a component out of this. Stay tuned for that. That's going to be a nice fun project for me. It'll be a very simple video, but guess what have I recently bought? If you read the news recently, what just came out. That's the hint. My motherboard has been giving me some issues with the USBs. Honestly, I think I need a better USB card in here and just call it a day. Honestly. They're quite cheap, so I might buy one. But this has always been part of my channel was always this computer in the background, doing all this is a gaming computer, this is my editing computer, this is my general workhorse. And I keep giving it work to do, it keeps going, meh, come on, give me more. So, yeah, I thought I'd just give you this fun video and recap. I have this sensor panel, and it's been good. If you don't have a sensor panel, and if you do gaming a lot, why don't you buy yourself one? I'll give you a link in the description in the one I use, because it's a general piece of software. And on a monitor, I use an old Dell. I actually do have a Dell here. I could easily replace it. I wonder if it's black. I could just replace that. Yeah, I might actually got to replace it. But I think I'm repeating, but that's okay. My thoughts and my brain can't speak out. I don't have a script like some people on YouTube, but that's okay. I have an idea and I generally speak about it. And if you like this kind of content, there'll be a whole playlist about this build, the Corsair build, as I call it. Because everything in this component, minus motherboard, processor, and graphics card, is made by Corsair. The full lot is made by Corsair. I've got Corsair radiators, I've got Corsair fans, I've got rows of Residor, Corsair processor block, RAM, power supply, these light strips that I never use. You see these? I never use them. That's okay. Corsair case, fittings, tubing, coolant, it's all made by Corsair. Yes, this is my Corsair build. There's no this Corsair. Oh, the M.2, sorry, and the hard drives. No, there's not hard drive there, M.2, the SATA hard drives. But the rest is Corsair. Except for the screws. They're made by, they were induced with Corsair. I think they just used it. And the light strip that goes around, that's never been connected. So this is my Corsair build. I will put a full playlist and you can watch the struggles on this. And I'll keep updating it when I get new components, because this is my personal build of 23. So, thanks for watching this. We updated water cooling. I need to update put some more cooling in there, but I'll do that upstairs. I'll just wait till I get my next component. It's not too yet bad. Still got loads left. It doesn't make not much noise, so I'm not too fussed. I've actually seen now, without the lighting on the components, the tubing is going a bit yellow. So I think they get a bit grubby. So I may have to go and replace those tubings with some black ones. I quite like the clear. I don't see the computer lives underneath my desk and it works in the background. But I think I need to change the coolant. Which is gonna be fun. But I need to get that tubing first. And that other component first before. Shows you how dusty this room is because my asthma is now kicking in. So, thanks for watching this very quick Corsair build, as I call it. I should actually start naming my builds. My Corsair build. I think that's good enough. Any names in the comments, please below, and I might actually change our playlist if I see anything awesome. And of course, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.